Hey there, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then do subscribe. Because firstly, it's free, and secondly, we are showing that you are supposed to see. Hi everyone, this is Trishad Sharma again, back into another episode of Airbus Boys. So guys, lately as you all know, aviation sector has been thrashed very badly in the first to second quarter of 2020. And SpiceJet is no doubt currently in large debts which are of course hindering its operations. So now let me tell you at Airbus Boys, after deeply analyzing this issue, we found out from our different sources as well as from newsletters that according to the share transfer dispute of 2017 with Kalanithi Maran and his firm KAL Airways, the payable amount for SpiceJet to this firm was about 579 crores. But as a grant, SpiceJet has been asked by High Court to deposit about 243 crores within 6 weeks. So the airline has already been in losses, thereby reporting a loss of about 593 crores for second quarter. But SpiceJet has found a way out. Now let's talk about what different newsletters from Bloomberg and Al Jazeera have to say. They say that SpiceJet is likely the most eligible airline currently in South Asia to go bankrupt because of the unstable currency flow at the firm. But we know it has got its own back from sources, you know what I mean, right? That's why I said the company made its revenue by carrying cargo flights. While last month, when all the airlines posted their quarterly earnings, then surprisingly, SpiceJet did quite well, but this doesn't mean that they are on the safe side. These cargo flights proved to be a savior for airline and made the picture much better than expected. Yes, I could say that the picture for SpiceJet could go more worse because of the current ongoing debt conditions of SpiceJet and according to different newsletters. But because of all the cargo flights earning they made during the lockdown using their 737 fleet as cabin cargo for different locations, for example Sharjah and Suvarnabhumi International Airport. So all this revenue just added up to the company's income, and you might be thinking how that's possible. But SpiceJet found a way out through its 77 max compensation offered by Boeing, which could be around 8.6 billion rupees, which could be used by SpiceJet as another source of income. But SpiceJet was the airline which flew over nearly 7,000 flights in lockdown as a cargo carrier, thereby generating a revenue to keep the company in economic equilibrium.